Chapter 8. AI Applications. Imagine you have a toy that can talk to you and play games. It can even help you with your homework. That's what we call a smart toy or a robot. Introduction to robots. A robot is a special kind of machine that can do things on its own. Just like you can play games, talk, and do homework, robots can do many things too. Some robots can talk to us, follow instructions, and even help with chores. Introduction to AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is like having a smart friend who can help you with different tasks. For example, when you use a smart speaker to ask questions or play your favorite song, you are using AI. AI helps robots and machines become smart and learn how to do things, just like humans do. Inventor's Corner. Alan Turing started the idea of machines thinking like humans. Note, when robots have AI, they can understand what you say and can do things by themselves. For example, if you tell a robot to pick up a toy, it can follow your command and do it. AI helps robots learn how to follow instructions and make smart choices. Fact bit. Robots and machines can do some things too, but they need something special called artificial intelligence or AI to help them. AI in real life. AI is used in many ways to help people in their daily lives. Some of the ways we use AI include 1. Voice assistants. AI helps voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant understand and respond to your questions and commands, like asking about the play music, weather, or telling a joke. 2. Movie suggestions. AI helps Netflix or YouTube suggest movies or shows you might like based on what you have watched before. 3. Maps and directions. AI in apps like Google Maps helps you find the fastest way to get somewhere and tells you about traffic. 4. AI-powered cameras. Some cameras can recognize faces, focus on important parts of a photo, and even take pictures automatically when you smile. 5. Online shopping. AI helps you find products you might like based on what you have looked at or bought before. 6. Chatbots. Many websites use AI chatbots to help answer your questions and assist you while shopping or getting information. 7. Smart watches. Watches like the Apple Watch can track your activities, show your messages, and even help you stay healthy with special reminders. 8. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are cars that can drive by themselves. AI helps the car understand its surroundings, make decisions, and drive safely without needing a human driver. Smart bit. AI can help doctors diagnose illnesses faster and find new ways to treat diseases. AI in toys. 1. Cody, educational robot. These robots can talk, move, and respond to your commands. They can play games and tell stories, making them interactive companions. 2. Jibo, social robot. Jibo is a social robot that can recognize faces, tell jokes, and interact with family members. It helps with everyday tasks like setting reminders. 3. Cosmo, playful robot. Cosmo is a small robot with a personality. It can play games, recognize your face, and even express emotions through its screen. 4. Furby Connect, interactive plush toy. Furby Connect is a smart plush toy that can talk and play with you. It responds to your touch and voice. 5. Luna, the AI pet. Luna is a smart virtual pet that can talk to you, understand your movements, and even walk with you. You can teach Luna new things, and it will learn and respond happily. Chapter highlights. Artificial intelligence helps machines act smart like humans. Robots are machines that can do tasks on their own using AI. Smart toys are toys like talking robots and interactive games that use AI to play with you. Self-driving cars are cars that can drive themselves using AI to follow the road and keep passengers safe.